Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one. 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 Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one.
Oh, how I love these things. Good day, good day, good day, good day. Yes, ma'am. I bought 2 more. Just have to put the backs on. Completed 2 in 30 minutes. Yeah. So that's the back and this is the front. So the first 2 I put in my son's closet. These 2 are going in Tommy's room. There are the instructions. And you get these green tabs to cover up these screw holes. Oh, and you also get white tabs in case you do it on the white side. And these little nails are to put these backs on. White and green. Look at me. Green and white. Yeah. So that's that. 30 minutes for both to put them together. But they say 30 minutes per one, but I did it 30 minutes for 2. So there you have it. And have a wonderful Wednesday. Even though today is Plant Watering Wednesday, we're just going to look at what's going on. Okay, y'all. So this is what I did with the 2 that I just got. They're in Tommy's room. And I'm tired of him sleeping with his wrestling men. So those down there are the little cage match wrestling men. It's a lot of them. These are the big ones that he's torn up. And these wrestling men are so expensive. Can't believe he's just walking around tearing their legs and hands and their legs, hands, feet, and heads off. So I'm not buying any more toys. He got too many. Those drawers are, the top 3 drawers are filled with toys. Then he has The Rock, The Undertaker, these 2 guys, some of those guys, and that bottom shelf is filled with balls, little balls, like they're not from Chuck E. Cheese, but you get the gist. Then you have so much stuff still on his bed, toys, and then stole up out of here. I have to buy another basket from Dollar Tree to put in there, so he can have one basket that he can take with him. And his book bag and what's on his wall and stuff. His TV, I don't know why. But yeah, his laundry is done. He needs to fold that. Yeah. Well, that's what we did with those for Reno drawers. I'm gonna go take a little snapshot of the other 2 that I had from about a month or so ago, not 2 months.